Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix download folder not responding in Windows 11, 10. First method is open File Explorer. Right-click Downloads folder, click Properties. Click Customize tab, select General Items, check also apply this templates to all subfolders. Second method is open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options, click View tab. Check Always Show Icons, never thumbnails. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.